Good morning, everybody. It's Percy Hampton, Handy Electrician. Today, we are going to replace a 15 amp arc fault breaker. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the same model number or brand type breaker as your panel. This is a GE panel. It has all GE breakers, so we are replacing it with a 15 amp GE arc fault breaker. If you don't have the same type, you might get hit on an inspection report sometimes when you sell the house or you have an electrical inspection. All the breakers have to be the same as what's in the panel. So this is the breaker we're replacing. I turn that off. We're going to go ahead and disconnect the wires. So what goes into your arc fault breaker is your hot, which is the black wire, and the neutral for the entire circuit. And then the arc fault breaker has a neutral wire that actually goes to the bus, the neutral bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the wire from the neutral bar first. Pull that guy out. It's just a snap-in breaker. It's defective. It was hit on the inspection report, like I said earlier. So you got the new arc fault breaker in, 15 amp. I like to stretch out that neutral wire so I can get it where I need it to be. Go ahead and put that, insert that back first. You want to put a torque on it. You don't want any wires to be loose. A loose neutral will create a fire hazard. So you always want to make sure it's torqued. And what I like to do is I'll go ahead and get my wires in the breaker before I even put it in. And you got to look at the screws. The gold color screw is for the hot, and the silver color screw is for your neutral. And it's usually on the same side. So you see the neutral comes out of there. Your neutral wire from your circuit should go there, and then your hot goes there. You can see the screws, gold, silver, just so you can see. Anytime you put a wire in a breaker, tighten it down, tug on it to make sure that it's tight and it's in there. It's a snap-in breaker. Snap it in, turn it off, turn it back on. That's how you do it. 15 amp arc fault breaker replacement. Percy Hampton, Handy Electrician.